fam. Week 7. So we're smashing it up, man. We're just over the halfway. Week 7, and this is how we're starting it off, bro. So better.
Round 2.
Oh. Nice, ladies. Nice, ladies. There you go. Well done, team. Nice. Nice, team. Let's go, boys. There you go. Nice, team. There, Rosie. Shot pass. Easy work, ladies. Easy work, ladies. Easy work, ladies. Easy work, ladies. Nice. Nice pass. Nice team. Nice team. Nice team. Nice. Shakongi. Nice team. Nice team. Easy team. Nice team. Nice team. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice team. Nice team. Nice team. Nice. There we go. Well done, team. Well done. Nice. Nice team. Nice team. Straight on there. Straight on there. Nice. Nice, ladies. He's got it, ladies. Nice, sis. Nice, sis. Team, well done. We got it. Well done, team. Well done, team. Well done. Nice fires. Nice. Well done, team. Well done. Okay, team. Smash it out, bro. Let's go, team. Smash it out. Let's go, team. Nice, boys. Nice, team. Smash it out, team. Smash it out. Nice team. Nice team. Got it, team. There you go, team. There we go, team. Let's go, ladies. Nice, team. Well done, team. Nice players. Nice, team. Well done. Well done. Well done. There you go, team. There you go, team.
Nice.
That should be smashing the top.
Nice, team. Keep them legs up. Keep them legs up.
Your legs should be faster than that.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wonderful. Nice, babe.
Nice, team. Well done. Well done. Well done. Nice pala. Shakongi. Nice Freddy. Well done. Let's go, team. There you go. Well done. Nice. Nice team. There you go. Huh? Nice team. Nice team. You got a little bro. You got it, man. Nice team. Well done, team. Well done, team. Well done, team.
Nice work.
Nice. Nice fella.
Paparazzi.
Nice Freddy. Let's go. Nice team. Look like a turtle there, lad. Well done, team. Well done, team. Nice. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Well done. There you go. Nice. Nice, baby. You got it. You got it. Let's go, team. You guys got it. You guys got it. You guys got it. You guys got it. Easy work, man. Easy work. Well done. Well done, team. Well done, team. Keep pushing. Almost there. Well done. Almost there, team. Come on. There you go. Easy, ladies. Easy, ladies. Hold them legs up. Nice. Hey, let it drop. Hold them up. You got it. Come on. You got it, Josephine. Hold them up. Well done. Let's go, team. Hold it. Let's go. Come on. Well done, team. Well done, team.
Halfway.
You guys got it. You guys got it.
Nice.
Nice, team.
Hold it.
Nice, team. Well done. Well done. Doing good, team. Doing good, team. Get up. Get up. There you go. You hold it. Just hold it. You got it, Faithy girl. Let's go. You got it. Nice, team. Nice.
Oh, nice. This is great.
Nice. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You guys got it, team. You guys got it. Let's go. Let's go. You guys almost there. Almost there. Here we go, team. Nice. And up, team. Well done. Nice. You guys are doing real good. I need one more. I mean, that's it. You guys are doing good. Yeah, man. One more. One more. You're going to feel that burn. Let's go. Well done, team. Well done, team. Well done, team.
Coach, delete this, man. Delete this.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
2, 1.
Nice, team.
Round 15.
That's one. Let's go, team.
Nice.
Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on.
Nice, Vicky.
Well done. Let's go, team. Get a good water break after that. Well done, team. Hold it, team. Almost there, team.
3,
Here we go.
1.
Well done, team. Well done. Let's go, team.
2.
Last one. Let's hold it now. Let's hold it. Let's go, man. Just work for that water. Well done, team. Almost there, team. Well done, team. Well done. Good effort. Good effort. Nice. Hold it, team. Hold it, team. Well done. Woo-hoo. Well done.
1.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Can you edit that out?
I'll try my best to. Let's go. Nice, team. Oh, sorry, professional. Well done, team. Well done. Nice. Let's go, team. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice, team. Come on, push each other home. Well done, team. There we go. There we go. Nice. Back each other, man. Back each other. You guys got this. Let's go, team. Well done. Up.
Nice. Nice.
Nice. Nice, team. You guys are making it look easy now.
Nice, Vicky.
Good stuff, good stuff. Well done. Well done. Nice. Hey, the one arm even. Nice, brother. Let's go, team.
Oh my God.
There you go, man. Back each other. Well done. Well done, team. Well done. That's a 30. Well done. Nice team. Good work. Nice. You got it, team. You got it. Nice girls. Nice team. There you go, Vicky. Yeah, the boys. Got it. Nice one, OGs. Well done, OGs. Nice. Well done, team. Well done, team. There you go, lads. Nice girls. Nice. Well done, team. Nice team. Let's go, let's hold it. Easy team. You guys got it. Nice, well done. What a rat team. Come on, Josephine, you got it, Josephine. You got it, you got it. There you go, you got it. Just hold that place, girl. You got it, team. You got it. Nice team. You got it. You guys are almost there. Almost there, team.
3.
Let's go. 2, 1. Let's go. No, come on. Gotta support this side now. Support this side. It's the last one. Let's go. Well done, team. Nice. That's Bella. Well done, girls. Nice team. Well done, guys. Good stuff. Hold it to the end. You guys got it. Hold it to the end. You just got it. You guys got it. There you go. Hold it to the end. Nice. Well done, team. Almost there, team.
3.
There we go, team.
1.
Well done, team. Woo!
Stop them. Have a break. Nice.
Nice, team. Smash it out now, team. That's the last. Well done, team.
Nice work, man.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, so basically that's all they're doing for the full 8 rounds. Is this the full 8 rounds? Oh, right. Nice team.
Think of how you're gonna look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Nice.
Nice, boys. Nice team. 3.
That's up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Nice team. Hey! Nice. Nice. Well done, team. There you go, Faithy. Mad push, mad push. Yes, Bella. Nice. Nice, team. Well done, team. Nice, man, team. Good stuff. Good stuff. Mad work effort today. Well done, team. Well done, team. Nice.
Nice work, Sam. Not bad.
Good work from the team today. That's it, man. Week 7, we done. Getting ready for Saturday. We're gonna be heading out to One Tree Hill. One Tree Hill, yeah, One Tree Hill. Be hitting the mountains up there in Hango. Good work effort from the team today. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Until then, peace.
Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just a Savior's own belief. One love. What about a one heart? What about let's get together and feel alright? As it was in the beginning. One love. So shall it be in the end. One heart. Alright.
And hey sis,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good.
Cool. So how was that training?
Yeah. It was good. It was actually good, yeah.
Yeah?
Needed it.
Oh, nice. Okay, sis, I got 2 questions for you, okay? Just 2 simple questions, okay? So first question is, why did you join the challenge?
Oh, my mum was already joining.
Right.
And I wanted to support her, and because also my diet last year was pretty bad, so I wanted to get healthy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh no, well done. Cool. And so second question is, what is your why? What would be your why?
My family, yeah, they're quite supportive in everything I do, and I'm able to be quite open with them. And so, yeah, they're the ones that motivate me to be
Awesome.
here.
Ah, well done, sis. That's nice. Good answers. Wasn't that bad, eh?
No.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, son. Hey, mate. Okay. Well, you didn't join the training today because you had Polyfest practice, but anyways, I got 2 questions for you, boy.
Yep.
Right. First question: why did you join the challenge?
Oh, I joined the challenge because I got forced to, and it's better for my health. Yep.
Okay. Second question is, what is your why?
My why is my sisters, my grandma, and my dogs. They push me to train harder and stuff, and it gives me the motivation to come to every training. Yo, that's it.
Oh, not your parents.
And my parents.
Alright, son, your egg. Thank you.
Okay, on 3, 1, 2, 3. #1. Oh, bro, you guys can do better than that. On 3, 1, 2, 3.